Good morning, guys. I'm actually vlogging pretty late today. It's 4 o'clock, but I haven't really done anything today. I've did my treatment, and besides that, I've just been sitting around the house. So now I'm having some watermelon, which is like my favorite fruit out of all of them. It's like every year when it hits watermelon season, I get so excited because I love watermelon. So eating that, and then gonna put the dogs outside and take care of them before I head to the barn. It's not hot today, but it's pretty muggy, so take that for what it is. But yeah, overall, it's just been a really kind of lazy day, and thankfully the time is still going by fast. I gotta finish up the laundry, so we can get fully packed, but I am super excited. I talked to my sister for 30 minutes, and we were talking about, like, Universal, and I was telling her that I'm going to go into it with an open mind because I am not a roller coaster person. I don't like roller coasters. I don't really like those, like, theme park rides, if you will. But I told her that I'll go into it with an open mind. I'm going to try the Revenge of the Mummy ride, which looks kind of fun except for the backwards part, but I'll try it. And then some roller coaster in Harry Potter World. I said right now the only one I refuse to get on is the Hulk. I will not get on that, but the rest of it I'm just going to go in with an open mind and leave no regrets because I have no idea when or if I'll ever be back to Universal. So, but yeah, so just gearing up for the trip and resting. So I'm down at the barn and they're all just basically chilling. Somebody asked how Pistol Annie was doing. She's doing really well. She's almost completely healed up. So yeah, I'm just down here at the barn. I'm working on getting Blondie to pick up her feet. Yeah, she's doing good. She's got a little bug bite or something right here. I don't know what she did, but so yeah, I think they're just, it is quite hotter today than it has been, so I think they're just chilling. But let's see if she'll pick up her foot. She did it once. Nope. There we go. Good girl. I gotta be careful because I don't want to push her into Maxine. But anyway, so they're just chilling, and I'm just chilling with them. Like I said, it's quite hot today. Good girl. Check this out, guys. There's like a million fireflies everywhere. I don't know if it's picking up as well on camera, but they are legit like everywhere. Look at that. Wow, I don't even know where they came from. Look at that. That is crazy. They just like popped up out of the blue. That is insane. Must be at least 20 or 30 of them. Just flying around. At least it's fireflies. I mean fireflies. Whatever they are, I'm forgetting their name now. Instead of like wasps or something, but that is insane. Hello. I don't know what that sound is. Do you guys hear that in the background? Did you hear that? Is that a cougar? Surely that ain't a cougar. Do you hear that? That rhino sound? I'm thinking it's a bird. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. But there's a pretty girl. I'm assuming if it was a cougar, they'd probably be freaking out a little bit more, so I really don't know. I hope that picked up on the camera so you guys can kind of tell me. There's more of those bugs, by the way. Way out there. Yeah, it's coming from the wood zone. I have no idea. Anyway, hi Fancy. Hey guys, so I just got back from the barn. I was there for an hour and a half, and yeah, just not doing a whole lot. The humidity was bothering my lungs, and that's why I decided to come back because I was just not breathing that well. But I'm all good now that I'm back in the air conditioning. It was kind of funny. I made a little blip tonight. I was I was working with Blondie, like I showed you guys, on picking up her feet and stuff, and she was doing really well. So I go up, and you know, usually I say, "Good girl, Blondie." Well, I went, "Good dog, Blondie," and I was like, wrong species. Not a dog. That'd be a very oversized dog. But yeah, so I'm eating more watermelon, like I said, because I love it. The cats are sleeping beside me. And I'm gonna go and do some more packing later, but right now I just want to sit here, get my breath back, and eat watermelon. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I still enjoyed it, even though it was a bit of a struggle. I still enjoyed it, and I don't know what that freaky animal sound was. I don't know if it caught on camera. I really hope it did, because that was the weirdest bird I've ever heard in my life. I swear it sounded like a cougar, but the horses would have been reacting if it was a cougar. So I don't even know. Like, we have coyotes out here, but I've never heard a coyote make that noise. So if it caught on camera and you guys have any idea, let me know, because I have no idea, but it was freaky. But yeah, so just gonna relax, let my lungs get happy again, and then go do some stuff for the trip. Hey guys, so I just realized that I never ended my vlog, and I was like, oh, it's almost 9 o'clock, and I haven't ended my vlog yet, so, not sponsored. So, yeah, I'm just kind of chilling out. My dad's bringing some McDonald's home for dinner, and I'm just going to continue with the story of my life, that is packing. So, but I'm super excited. We're only 2 days away. But yeah, I did go back and check the video, so if any of you guys know what the heck that animal noise was, I would be very interested, because that was creepy. But,
Cowabunga, dude.
But anyway, thank you guys so much for coming along on my day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.